Stop scrolling. Stop everything. Because what you are about to witness isn't just an upgrade. It's a seismic shift. For the past year, whispers have turned into roars, leaks into undeniable blueprints, and the industry has been holding its collective breath. We're talking about the phone that will redefine the next decade of mobile technology. Forget everything you thought you knew about flagship devices. Forget incremental bumps. Forget the competition. This is the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. And it changes everything. In this video, we are diving deep into the abyss of its secrets. We'll expose the processor paradigm shift that makes your current phone feel like a relic. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We'll unveil the camera system that obliterates the line between smartphone and professional DSLR. We'll dissect the display technology so revolutionary it bends reality. And we'll face the one controversial rumor that could either save Samsung or shatter the smartphone world as we know it. If you are thinking of buying any new phone in the next 18 months, you need to watch this. If you value performance, photography, and futuristic tech, you must hear this. The S26 Ultra isn't coming. It's arriving. Prepare to have your mind blown. Let's get into the Ultra. Let's start with the engine. The raw power that fuels the beast. Leaks point to a processor so far ahead of the curve, it's not even a fair fight. We are, of course, talking about the rumored Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 for Galaxy, or perhaps the global release of the fully optimized, battle-tested Exynos 2600. But here's the twist. The S26 Ultra is rumored to be the first device to utilize a next-generation 3nm architecture globally. Think about that. Smaller transistors mean exponentially more power, but crucially, it means unprecedented efficiency. We're talking about a 30% boost in CPU performance and an astonishing 40% jump in GPU power over its predecessor. This isn't just about faster app launches. This is about demanding console-level gaming on the go without the stutter, without the overheating, and without the anxiety of a draining battery. But the real game changer? The Neural Processing Unit, NPU. The NPU is getting a massive overhaul, focusing entirely on on-device generative AI. Imagine real-time language translation, advanced computational photography, and multimodal AI assistants that don't need the cloud for basic functions. This processor is the foundation for an Ultra that thinks for itself. The AI is so deeply integrated, it's rumored to be able to predict your app usage patterns and allocate resources proactively, giving you a perpetually flawless experience. This is the death of lag. This is true flagship performance. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room. The camera. Samsung doesn't upgrade its camera, it re-engineers it. And the S26 Ultra is reportedly ditching the high megapixel count chase and focusing on one single metric, pure, unadulterated image quality. The star of the show. The rumored 200 megapixel main sensor is back, but it's bigger. Physically bigger. We're talking about a 1-inch type sensor. This is massive. This size drastically increases light capture, leading to breathtaking low-light performance. Photos taken in near darkness will have detail and color depth previously reserved only for expensive mirrorless cameras. But the zoom is where the competition collapses.